Good morning, everyone. Okay, today let's discuss trend origin. So, what is a trend origin? Trend origin is in price action where price switches from the beginning bullish trend to a bearish trend, where price switches from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. So, looking at the current price action, where do we have our trend origin? You can see that from this point, price has been going in a bearish move. But then after this point, but then not long after that, price switch to start going into a bullish move. So this region between the end of the bearish move and the beginning of the bullish move is what we identify as our trend origin. So this is what we identify as our trend origin. We already have a trend line. We already have a weekly trend line right here to make it easier. Now that we've identified our trend origin, next thing for us to do is to identify. Now that we've identified our trend origin, next thing for us to do would typically be to draw our trend line, but we've already drawn the trend line. So the next thing for us to do is to identify our market structure. So we have an impulsive move here, correctional move here, followed by an impulsive here, followed by correctional, impulsive, correctional, impulsive, correctional, impulsive. Alright. So now, let us identify our swing highs and our swing lows. This is a swing low, or also known as a higher low, since we're in the uptrend now. Here we have a swing high, which can also be referred to as a higher high. Here we have another swing high, followed by a swing low, followed by another swing high, followed by a swing low, followed by another swing high, followed by a swing low. So this is the current outlook of our market structure. So this is our market structure. You can see that based on the current market structure, price has recently broken this previous higher high, making this to be a valid new low, higher low.